Hi, in this short demonstration video, I will quickly show how to build and run the application as well as a little overview of the files. As you can see, there's a main scene file in the assets folder that you're going to use to start the application. Uh, Once it is running, it will spawn you at the near the sun that is right here. You can use the menu system and bring up any constellation culture that you want to see. Um, you can change this on the fly, and you can also remove the constellations if you don't want to see them. You can use the start and stop buttons to start and stop the time simulation. Uh, you can use the view distance slider to increase or decrease the amount of stars that are visible on the screen. You can use the additional info button to show additional info about the constellation of
Orion, the
Orion.
hunter, stands as a testament to the timeless intrigue.
You can also use the toggles for the color scheme to select either if the stars are colored using according to their spectral mass or according to the number of exoplanets that each star has. You can increase and decrease the scale of the simulation, similar to the other slider, and this will increase the distance between the stars as well as the size of the stars. You can use the audio controls to change the tracks that are running in the background as well, and you can use the reset button to go back to time zero, stop, uh, and basically reset uh, uh, and be at the start of the simulation. Coming back to the project, as I mentioned earlier, the main scene is the one that you're going to use to start the application. Um, the folder data files contains the downloaded data files that are used for the simulation. It also contains the Python notebook that I use to convert and pre-process these data files. The process data files are present inside the streaming assets folder. Um, in the resources folder, you'll find the audio tracks as well as the short video and the image assets along with the materials used to render the constellations. Inside the module Omicron, inside the scripts folder, there are two folders. So main contains the main scripts, main chunk of the application, as well as the utilities present inside the util folder. All the prefabs that I created for this project are present inside the prefabs folder.